I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw without mayonnaise. Start by thinly shredding green and red cabbage and julienning carrots, then toss them in a bowl. Salt the mix lightly and let it sit for 10 minutes while you prep the dressing. This step keeps your slaw crisp and prevents sogginess, so don't skip it, and have a towel ready to gently squeeze out the released liquid. Choose a dressing that complements your meal and keeps the slaw light. Try a simple vinaigrette with apple cider vinegar, olive oil, honey, and a pinch of salt for brightness. If you prefer creaminess without mayo, mix Greek yogurt with lemon juice and Dijon mustard for tang. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness gradually to match your palate, and whisk well so the dressing emulsifies and coats the vegetables evenly. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical tips, consider The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money and planning. It pairs with cooking videos because better finances can free time for hobbies like perfecting coleslaw. If this content is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides for you. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Combine the squeezed cabbage and carrots with your chosen dressing and toss gently but thoroughly. Sprinkle in fresh herbs, a little black pepper, and optional toasted seeds for crunch. Taste and tweak the seasoning, adding a bit more salt, honey, or lemon as needed. Let the slaw chill for 30 minutes so the flavors marry, then give it one last gentle toss before serving to redistribute any settled dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.